I'm a villager, can I speak English? So friends, if you have this question, because in village side there is no anyone can speak English, especially in my area, in my neighbor's house, and even my house. But I want to speak English anyhow, any condition, because I decided and I already started my English journey. So I have dream. Can I speak English? I want to speak English confidently, but I have question. Can I speak English? Because I am belongs in village area and I don't know where I should start. Can you tell me how I can start my English journey? How I can speak English? So friends, if you have this kind of question, now I am come here for giving your answer. So friends, this video I am gonna share with you how can speak English in every villagers. So English speaking, it's a not big challenge. If you want to speak English, then everything will be becomes easy, but you have to do something different. You have to do something different for improving this language. I hope you get at my point. So can I speak English? This is a main topic. In village side, everyone cannot speak English, but I want to speak English. And in my village area, here is no anyone involvement in English, and no anyone can partner. So how I can speak English? So friends, now this is evening time and I record my video in my garden, and I want to tell you, yes, you can speak English definitely, even confidently and with fluently. But how? This is a big question. So, what you should do for improve this language? So now I have a one answer for you. Yes, you can speak English definitely, and but you have to start today onwards your English journey for improving. Okay? So, first of all, you should do start clear your grammar rules. Okay, because without clearing grammar, I think you can't speak English. Because village side no anyone, uh, I would say just no environment, okay, related English, and no anyone can becomes partner you for speak this language. So that's why first of all you should clear your tenses and some grammar rules, and not only just learn grammar and grammar, okay, today, tomorrow, months, week. No, you should just complete grammar rules, okay, little, and then you just start listening. Okay, for becoming fluent, it is very important listening, and which kind of video I should listen. Okay, because uh, learners, they don't know which types of video we should learn, we should listen for improving English. So I would like to share with you, start listening from the just basic videos, like very simple videos, okay, in English. Okay, I'm not say without interestless. Okay, just start listening as per your interest, okay, in English on YouTube. Just start listening. And how can listen English video for improving language? You should listen with subtitles. Okay, you should listen English videos with subtitle, because in the very beginning the subtitle, it is very help to improve your English speaking, for improve the best result English speaking. So you have to need just start listening videos with subtitle. Okay, subtitle, you can understand better what the videos say. Okay, so again you have to do the next, you have to just start imitating. Okay, imitating means नकल करना है आपको, वीडियो में क्या बोल रहा है उस चीज़ को आपको बोलना है, स्पीक करना है. So okay, so you have to just imitate videos like you listen in English video, okay, like it's storybook and with subtitles, okay, and start imitating. While listening you should start imitating, means आपको नकल करनी है, क्या वीडियो में बोल रहा है वो आपको बोलना है. So in the very beginning you just listen one sentence and again you should just pause this video and speak what video says, okay. So just do these types of imitate and it is very important. So just imitate as much as you can, as much as you can imitate this video. Imitation, why important imitation and why I suggest you imitation? Because we are belongs to village side and there is no any types of environment, okay, English environment. So turn into the English language, it is very difficult, okay, because we are just speak mother tongue. So turning tongue, it is very difficult. So imitation, while imitating videos you can speak English, okay, you can just speak and your pronunciation going to good. So a lot of things will happen, okay. That's why I suggest you imitate video as much as you can, listen video as much as you can, because listening it is very powerful and your brain it's going to save words pronunciation in your mind. So just start imitating and your brain is start catching those all words, English words. So just try to imitate as much as you can. And next, what is doing, okay, what is doing, start reading books. Why I tell you reading books? And because some learners tell when it just going to read book we feel very boring and we feel very boring, what should do? So you should buy a book according to your interest. If I suggest you kids story book, because kids story books use very easy language, you can understand very easy, okay. So just buy English stories book and start reading. And if you're not able to read one story one day, so just you should read one page every single day. You have to do this work every single day if you want to speak English fast way, okay, if you want to speak English very fast like a 6 months, okay. So you should just read one page every single day, okay. Reading it is going to perfect your pronunciation and words are catching in your minds. A lot of things will happen when you start reading book, okay. And after complete those all things you have to speak, okay. Some learners tell when I perfect all the things then I will start speaking, okay, because they have fear. If I just speak and someone is hear my voice I speak English and when I just stuck, when I will just make mistakes and when I will just mispronounce, then someone is make laugh at me. So this is not a very bad thing, okay. Anyone learners, anyone beginners not become fluent without making mistakes. It's a part of journey, it's a part of life. So why you feel afraid while speaking? No, if you have dreams, so you should do all the things for improve your English language, then you will definitely speak this language, okay. So don't be afraid about your English pronunciation, no, okay. In the very beginning day you have to do speak, okay. And if you don't know how to start. So you should just start small words. Good morning, good evening, good night, what you're doing, what you eating, why you do this. You have to do, I'm going to market, I'm going to college, I'm reading, I'm listening, I'm sleeping. This way just pick up small words and start speaking. Okay, start speaking. Then gradually you become fluent. Gradually your English will improve and you see the difference. Yes, I can speak English little bit. So every beginners, every villagers speak English. Okay, so every learners, every villagers can speak English definitely. But this kind of work, everyone villagers who wants to dream, who have to do. So just start today onwards. It is your first day, okay, and tomorrow your last day. So just start today, as much as you can, as much as you can today. Okay, and a lot of efforts you have to do for improve this language. Okay, and don't be afraid if I make mistakes, someone laugh at me, someone make love me. So don't don't think. So I would say don't think about that. It is part of learning, it is part of journey. And every human being make mistakes while learning, okay, while improving days. Okay, so just make mistakes a lot and try to improve, try to remove. Okay, so just speak. And if I say truly with honestly, this video I make a lot of mistake, but I have dream, I want to speak. That's why I make mistakes, that's why I make videos, that's why I speak videos in front of camera. So don't think about that today I make mistake, tomorrow I make mistake. No, today you make mistake, tomorrow you can improve. Okay, so just speak and everyone can speak this language if you have dream, if you are a hard worker, and if you are dedicated to improve your language. Okay, so everyone, so villagers can speak English definitely. Okay, so believe in yourself. Yes, I am capable to do this, I am capable to do that. Okay, and start speaking, start speaking, speaking. So friends, I hope you get at my point, what I say in this video. If you get it, then start today. Okay, and friends, just take a challenge. I can speak English definitely. Okay, and start doing. So friends, I think this video is enough. So we'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day. Start learning today. Bye bye.